Over 60? Eat this first or your leg muscles will keep wasting away. Most people over 60 don't know that the first meal they eat in the morning can make or break their legs, or make them go weak. Many people just drink coffee, eat toast, or even skip meals. It sounds harmless, but the worrying truth is that this habit is causing millions of seniors to lose the ability to walk, lose their balance, or struggle to get out of a chair. After age 60, your leg muscles become more fragile than you think. A lack of essential nutrients each morning causes them to shrink, weaken, and gradually lose the strength needed to maintain your independence. The danger is that this process happens silently. But the good news is that it can be slowed, even reversed. No drugs, no strenuous exercise, no piles of supplements. The secret is much simpler. It's what you put on your plate within 60 minutes of waking up. Just one bite of the right food can turn your body from a state of destruction to a state of recovery. Improve blood circulation in your legs, reduce cramps, and delay muscle aging by up to 10 years. In today's video, I will share 5 familiar but powerful morning foods that help keep your muscles strong, your balance stable, and help you walk confidently even after 60. At the same time, I will also warn you about seemingly healthy breakfast mistakes that are actually silently eroding the strength of your legs. 1. Whole eggs. If there's one food that can protect your legs after 60, it's the simple egg. Most people think of it as just a cheap breakfast, but it's actually packed with the exact nutrients your body needs to keep muscles strong. The key is leucine, a special amino acid that acts like a switch telling your body, repair and grow. After 60, your muscles don't respond as well on their own, so they need that push. Without it, your legs slowly weaken no matter how much you eat. A study at the University of Illinois found that seniors who ate 2 whole eggs every morning for 8 weeks didn't just feel better, they actually gained leg strength and walked faster. That's real, measurable improvement from such a simple change. And don't toss the yolk, it's the most valuable part. The yolk has vitamin D for bones and muscles, vitamin B12 for nerve function, choline for balance, and hemi-iron for circulation. Without enough iron, many older adults feel leg cramps, tingling, or heaviness they mistake for just aging. Cooking matters too. Boiled, poached, or lightly scrambled are best. Skip frying or pairing with bacon and sausage, which load your body with fats and sodium that cancel out the benefits. Eggs are affordable, easy to cook, and versatile. Whether you eat them alone, with toast, or mixed with veggies, the important thing is consistency. Making eggs part of your morning can give your legs the strength and stability you thought you'd already lost. Over time, that daily habit builds up like compound interest for your health, small, steady deposits that add up to stronger muscles, steadier balance, and more independence in the years ahead. Imagine being able to walk longer, climb stairs without fear, or even enjoy family trips without worrying if your legs can keep up. That's the kind of quiet but powerful change a couple of eggs can bring into your life. 2. Oatmeal plus chia seeds. If there's one breakfast often called plain but secretly powerful for seniors over 60, it's oatmeal, especially when you pair it with chia seeds. On the surface, it looks simple, yet a warm bowl of oats can do far more than fill your stomach. For older adults, it can protect your leg muscles, fuel steady energy, and slow the weakness that creeps in with age. Here's why. After a night of sleep, your body is in a fasting state, and your muscles are running low on fuel. Skipping breakfast or grabbing toast or pastries might feel harmless, but those choices spike your blood sugar and then crash it, leaving your legs starved. Oatmeal changes that. Its complex carbs digest slowly, giving steady energy for hours, preventing shaky legs and early fatigue. Adding chia seeds makes it even stronger. Just one spoonful gives omega-3s to fight muscle inflammation, magnesium to reduce cramps, and potassium to help nerves and muscles work smoothly. Low magnesium often explains nighttime cramps, while low potassium makes legs feel heavy. Mixing chia into oatmeal gives your muscles what they need to stay strong. Chia also expands in your stomach, keeping you full and stopping sugar crashes that drain your energy. Top your bowl with berries, and you add antioxidants that protect muscle fibers from oxidative stress, the slow rust of aging. Berries also bring natural sweetness without sugar spikes. This meal is simple, fast, and flexible. Cook it warm or prep it overnight. Add cinnamon for flavor, yogurt for protein, or nuts for crunch. Even half a cup of oats with a spoon of chia and a few berries can set your muscles on the right path. Each morning, you have two choices. Keep skipping or eating empty carbs and let your muscles waste away. Or fuel your body with oats and chia, a small habit that can mean the difference between weak steps and walking with confidence well into your 70s and beyond. 3. Bananas. When most people think of bananas, they picture a quick snack or something kids toss into their lunch bags. But for seniors over 60, this humble fruit can actually be a lifeline for your muscles, especially the ones in your legs that keep you walking, standing, and steady on your feet. What makes bananas so powerful isn't just their convenience or sweet taste. It's their potassium content, a mineral that plays a central role in how your muscles contract and relax. Without enough potassium, your muscles are far more likely to spasm, cramp, or feel heavy and unresponsive. Think of it like a spark plug for your muscles. No spark, no movement. If you've ever been woken up at night by a painful leg cramp, potassium shortage could be part of the reason. As we age, the body loses potassium more easily, especially if you take certain medications for blood pressure or use diuretics. That's why so many older adults deal with twitching, tightness, or sudden cramps that seem to come out of nowhere. Eating bananas regularly can help refill those potassium stores and give your muscles the support they need. Potassium also helps balance fluids and supports heart health, which improves circulation to your legs. Better circulation means more oxygen and nutrients reaching your muscles, reducing that heavy, tired feeling many seniors notice when walking or climbing stairs. Now, while bananas are healthy, they still contain natural sugar. For most seniors, this isn't a problem, especially if you pair them with protein. A great option is slicing a banana over a bowl of Greek yogurt. The protein slows the release of sugar into your bloodstream, giving you steady energy without the crash. This pairing also helps your muscles repair and recover since protein is the building block of muscle tissue. It's a simple but powerful combination that keeps your legs fueled for the day. If you have diabetes or kidney issues, be a little more careful. In those cases, choosing a smaller banana or one that's slightly underripe can make a difference. Underripe bananas have a lower glycemic index, meaning they don't raise blood sugar as quickly. And eating them with protein or healthy fats, like nuts or yogurt, makes them even friendlier for your body. The best part is how easy bananas are to fit into your routine. They don't need cooking or preparation. You can grab one on the go, add slices to oatmeal, blend into a smoothie, or enjoy with nut butter for an extra boost of protein and healthy fats. That means no excuses, your body gets the potassium it needs without hassle. It might seem too simple, but making bananas part of your morning could be the difference between struggling with cramps and stiffness versus moving through your day with strength and ease. Sometimes, something as ordinary as a banana can quietly work behind the scenes to keep your legs steady, your balance sharp, and your independence strong. 4. Greek yogurt. If there's one food that deserves a spot in your fridge after 60, it's Greek yogurt. At first glance, it looks like a simple cup of dairy, but for your muscles and bones, it's one of the most powerful breakfast choices you can make. Its biggest strength is protein far higher than regular yogurt. Protein is the #1 nutrient your body needs to repair and rebuild muscle, and Greek yogurt is loaded with leucine, an amino acid that flips the switch from muscle breakdown to repair. After 60, your muscles respond less efficiently to protein, which is why the right source matters. Greek yogurt delivers it in exactly the form your body can use. But protein isn't the only reason. Greek yogurt also brings calcium and vitamin D, two nutrients your bones rely on. As bone density declines with age, your muscles have to work harder to support your frame, which leads to fatigue and weakness. Strong bones mean less strain on your muscles. And then there are probiotics, healthy bacteria that keep your gut working properly. Without them, your body struggles to absorb protein, calcium, and vitamins. Think of probiotics as keeping the pipes clear, so every nutrient actually reaches your muscles. To get the benefits, stick with plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt. Flavored versions are loaded with sugar, which causes inflammation and energy crashes. Make it tasty yourself by adding chia seeds for minerals and omega-3s, or a handful of berries for natural sweetness and antioxidants. Even a sprinkle of cinnamon can boost flavor while helping control blood sugar. Greek yogurt is also quick and versatile. Eat it from the cup, mix it with oats, blend into smoothies, or layer into parfaits. Just one serving can be enough to shift your body from breakdown to repair mode first thing in the morning. For seniors who want steady energy, stronger muscles, and sturdier bones, this small daily habit can make a big difference. Greek yogurt proves that breakfast isn't just about filling your stomach, it's about fueling your independence. 5. Sweet potatoes with mineral salt. If you've been waking up with tired, heavy legs, or those sharp nighttime cramps that stop you in your tracks, there's a simple food that could change that. Sweet potatoes. They don't look like much, just an orange root you've probably walked past 100 times at the grocery store, but for seniors over 60, sweet potatoes can be one of the most powerful foods you can put on your plate. What makes them so valuable isn't just their sweet taste or soft texture. It's the way they fuel your muscles with steady energy and load your body with the exact minerals it needs to stay strong. After you wake up, your muscles are running on empty. During the night, your body uses up its glycogen-stored energy your muscles rely on to contract and move. If you start your day with white bread or pastries, your blood sugar spikes, then crashes, leaving your legs shaky and drained. Sweet potatoes work differently. They're full of complex carbs that digest slowly, steadily refilling your muscles with glycogen and providing hours of energy. That means fewer morning crashes, less weakness, and more strength for walking, climbing stairs, or even just standing without fatigue. But energy is only half the story. Sweet potatoes are also a powerhouse of minerals that most older adults are missing. Magnesium is one of the key ones. Low magnesium is strongly linked to cramps, stiffness, and restless legs. If you've ever felt that painful tightening in your calves at night, your body may be short on this mineral. Sweet potatoes quietly restore those levels, helping your muscles contract and relax the way they should. They're also rich in potassium, which works with magnesium to keep your muscles firing smoothly. Potassium helps prevent spasms, reduces that heavy, sluggish feeling in your legs, and keeps your cells properly hydrated. Together, magnesium and potassium make sweet potatoes a natural defense against cramps, stiffness, and fatigue. To get the most out of them, try adding a light sprinkle of natural mineral salt, like Celtic, or Himalayan salt when you eat them warm. Unlike regular table salt, These salts contain trace minerals that improve hydration and nerve function. Just a small pinch can give your body the electrolytes it needs to keep your muscles responsive and strong. Think of it as nature's version of an electrolyte drink, but without the sugar and chemicals. Sweet potatoes are also easy to prepare. Bake them until soft, steam them for a quick side, or mash them for a comforting, easy-to-chew meal. Pair them with eggs, Greek yogurt, or even a small piece of fish, and you have a balanced breakfast that combines energy, minerals, and protein. Even half of a medium sweet potato in the morning can noticeably change how your legs feel throughout the day. It might seem almost too simple, but the truth is, this humble food could be the difference between struggling with weak, cramping legs or moving with steady, confident steps. By making sweet potatoes part of your morning routine, you're giving your muscles the steady fuel and mineral support they need to keep carrying you. Whether that's for a short walk around the block, a trip up the stairs, or years of living life on your own terms. Here's what I want you to remember. Your leg muscles don't just give out because of age, they weaken because of habits. The foods you choose first thing in the morning can either protect your strength or slowly steal it away. Eggs, oats with chia, bananas, Greek yogurt, sweet potatoes. These simple foods can fuel your muscles, ease cramps, and keep you steady on your feet. I've seen seniors regain balance and energy just by starting their day differently. And you can too. Every breakfast is a chance to fight muscle loss and protect your independence. Don't let age decide for you. Take control with what you put on your plate. And if you found this helpful, subscribe and watch the next video for more powerful tips to keep your body strong. If you found this video helpful, please share it with your friends and family. And be sure to check out the next video. It might be just what you've been looking for.